Hey sis, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Susie. If you're new over here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you're returning, what's good, what's popping, I'm finna show y'all how I got these fat-ass Tapestry patch pants. Yo, so these are the jeans. My man had got me these from Fashion Nova and I end up never wearing them, so I'm like, let me go ahead and make me some patch pants out of them. Okay, so I had old material. Speaking of scraps, I finally wore my scrap jacket, so that video will be coming soon, so make sure y'all stay tuned. Also, y'all, I'm just cutting out old little patches. I cut out like so many, but I did not use them because once I started making the pants, it was like I had got to where I was liking it how it was with just the amount that I use. So y'all, this part is totally up to y'all. Y'all can cut out as much as y'all need. This is all the jean part. Then I'm going ahead and cut out some square little tapestry parts of the tapestry that I had left over. And y'all, like I was telling y'all, I made this to go with my man tapestry hoodie. If y'all haven't seen that video, go ahead and follow me on TikTok. I posted that Monday. But if y'all was following me, y'all will already know that. But if y'all have already seen the video, go ahead and drop some red hearts down in the comment section so I can know who's the real, who's been here, who's been watching, and all that good stuff. But y'all, this was a super easy project. This is all the pieces that I have. Of course, like I said, I did not use them all. And this is me watching TV. My bestie and my man was here, so I wanted to spend some time with them. So I came up and worked on the floor today, y'all. I went ahead and cut some little slits on the pants. Only little things you'll be needing is scissors and a hot glue gun for this project. Super simple, and make sure y'all stay to the end of the video so y'all can see all the pictures and stuff that we took. And y'all, for this project I decided to not put much on the back, so I literally had just two pieces on the back, and that was just the little pocket piece, and also I put like a little piece on the bottom of the pants leg in the back. And y'all, these was like so freaking dope. Like, I got so many compliments on it. And y'all, when my guy wore his sweater, well, his hoodie, we was leaving out on our way to dinner, and we had seen some neighbors and stuff, and he was like, oh, I like that sweater, it looked like you got it from Saks Fifth. I'm like, oh, okay, because SUZIE collection look like it's in Saks Fifth then. Okay, designer, period. But y'all, I've been amazing. I've been blessed, just chasing and staying busy, going after my goals, and just trying to focus on me. And if y'all haven't heard from, I think I've said it in my blog, but I want to try to do every month. I'm not even gonna say try, I am going to do every month on the 23rd. I am going to do something special for myself, treat myself to something, buy myself something, or you know, go out or something, like something for me every 23rd of each month this year. And also my birthday falls on the 23rd of March. But yeah, this is literally it. This is what it's looking like right here. And I'm just taking a hot glue gun and putting everything down. At first I was just seeing what I wanted, everything, but this is it, y'all. Super simple, very beginner friendly. I'm getting a little I'm gonna get in a little detail right here, y'all. I'm just so excited because I got so much work accomplished. Like, somebody finally bought the dress that one of my clients never came to pick up. So God has just been working in my favor, y'all. And it was like I didn't have to do anything to the dress, but I'm gonna leave that for the video so I can talk about that on that. But y'all, literally this is it. I hope y'all like it. I hope y'all make some of these pants, but I'm not gonna hold you guys. I talked through this whole little 5-minute video, and I made me a cute little purse, y'all. It reminds me of a little bugle, if y'all know what I'm talking about, the little chips. It reminds me of that, but I had to make something. And y'all, I literally made this while my guy was in the shower. But again, this is the pants before and this is the after. Let me know what y'all think. Go ahead and subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, hit the bell button to be notified when your girl posts. And I'm out. I love you guys. Bye. And yes, I know I said subscribe twice. Just do it. Okay, I love you guys. Bye.